beleaguered captain on Pakistan Prime Minister Imran Khan. Imran Khan will find survival as a PM difficult now that is not army his favorite. Prime Minister Imran Khan saw on Sunday that the pastinated base of his Pakistan 3 3K in Insaf PTI remained intact when tens of the thousands of the people turned up the Islamabad parade ground to attend his rally. But his along the speech alone indicated that the cricketer turned politician has finally come to terms with the political challenges he is facing. Mr. Khan, who is facing no confident vote in parliament, used his carefully worded speeches to define the performance of his government, reiterated the PTI Islamic welfarist ideology and set the tone for the future political battles. Drawing the parallels between himself and Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, the former Prime Minister who was overthrown in the 1977 by the General Zia-ul-Falk, and the later executed. Mr. Khan alleged that there was an international conspiracy against his government. Whether his allegations are true or not, his coalition's government is not probably surviving on the Roger Dean majority in parliament. At least a dozen lawmakers from his parties have rebelled against him. Some coalition members his hints that there could be an early elections. Mr. Khan's invoking of veto fates is also seen as valid criticisms of the military establishment. He had been a close ally of the generals from before the 2018 election, but the establishments appear to have gone cold on him. While Mr. Khan has faithfully defended the track record of the government, all is not well at the ground level. There is a widespread statement against the government handling of the economy, which of the opposition options has tried to capture by the mobilizing supported for the no trust motion. The crease is so deep that even government officially are reportedly not paid their salaries on time. On Sunday, Mr. Khan said would continue his crusade against white-collar crimes, referring to the corruption charges against opposition leaders. He called his opponents rodents, and he brought a dozen of the corruption cases against them in the past 4 years, but none has resulted in a conviction. On the other side, his hardline approach has galvanized the opposition, including the Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz and the Pakistan People's Party, which joined hands with the Maulana Fazl-ur-Rahman of the Jamaat-e-Islam from the Pakistan Democratic Movement, and the umbrella organization whose sole goal is bringing the PTI government down while cases pile up one after another. Mr. Khan rating started slipping according to a Gallup poll in January. Nawaz Sharif, currently living in exile, was the 90 points ahead of Mr. Khan in popularity. Whether Mr. Khan survives the no trust vote or not is run as the clean anti-corruption coders with missions to build Pakistan is come to a health. His political survival would depend on how he is going to adapt himself and the PTI to the new political environment where each faces a united options without the direct achievement of the military installations. Today editorials is समाप्त.